Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my tutorials that are coming soon. Today's look is inspired by two separate ideas that I love: a steampunk vampire. Steampunk is a genre of science fiction that typically features steam-powered machinery rather than advanced technology. And there are some people that actually lead steampunk lifestyles and wear amazing steampunk clothes, which I think is really awesome. Some of the movies that feature steampunk style are Brothers Grimm, Van Helsing, and Hugo is very much a steampunk movie. As for vampires, I think we're all familiar with Twilight, Interview with the Vampire, Queen of the Damned, and my personal favorite, Underworld. This look is inspired by these two genres, and a movie that features both would be Abraham Lincoln Vampire Hunter. Steampunk style is so intricate and unique, and vampires are just awesome and attractive and also mysterious. So if you would like to get my steampunk vampire look, then please keep on watching. So to start out this look, you're going to want to prime your skin with your favorite primer, and I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And then jumping right into foundation, we're going to be using a regular foundation you would wear every day, mixed with Manic Panic's Dream Tone, which is a vampire white foundation. And we're going to mix these two together and apply it to the face. This is going to give us a very bright and pale base, just like a vampire. For concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's definitely one of my favorites, and I'm using it in Fair. It actually looks really good with the color of the foundation and is still very pale. It brightens and conceals, which is perfect, and I'm just concealing under the eyes, as well as around the face. And to set the entire base, I love to use MAC Shivering White Face Powder. This is a very white face powder that is perfect for vampire looks. I'm going to conceal under the eyes with this as well as all around the face, and this will also highlight those areas as well. Depending on what you're wearing will determine if you'll have to paint your whole body, but I am going to anyways. I'm using the Mayron Paradise paint in white, and I mixed it with a lot of water so it's nice and liquidy and blends really well into the skin without looking too opaque. I just took this down my neck as well as my arms, and you're going to want to cover any areas you'll be exposing any skin. So steampunk style features a lot of gold and bronzy tones, so I'm going to make my brows gold today using the Mayron Paradise paint in Brilliant Gold, and I'm just going to apply this to the eyebrows. I used just enough water to make the consistency the same as a dip brow pomade and just filled in like I normally would. I wanted them to be super glittery, so I went over the top with NYX Face and Body Glitter in gold, and I just packed that right on top, and it stuck really well and made them super sparkly. So for the eyes, you're going to want to prime your lids first so your eyeshadows show up all day and stay on all night. Taking the Maybelline gel liner in black, I'm going to start creating a wing on the outer corner and bring this all the way into the inner tear duct area. Taking a black shadow, I'm going to go over that and smoke everything out, and I also took the black liner and lined the waterline as well. Taking the Makeup Geek Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow in Untamed, I'm going to pack this onto the lid area, and I'm also going to bring this down into the under eye area right under the black and smoke this out further. To blend out the black, we're going to use the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm taking an orange eyeshadow and just blending right on top of the black upwards. Going back into the Makeup Geek Cosmetics Untamed eyeshadow, I'm going to pack this right underneath the brow and bring this downward. And next, I'm applying a rhinestone to the inner tear duct area, and for mascara, I'm using the Benefit There Real Mascara, and for lashes, I am using my favorites right now, which are the Flutter Lashes in Intoxicating. I then lined around my whole eye with a black liner and smoked out even further with the Untamed eyeshadow, and finally, the look was finished. Using the Lunatic Labs Cosmetics Contour Palette, I'm going to start contouring, and I'm going to take this right onto the back of the cheeks and bring it downwards around the mouth. This is going to really hollow out that face and make you look a lot thinner, a lot like a vampire. And I'm also going to use this shade to contour the nose today as well. For highlight, I'm using a very light and bright highlight, which is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Ice Cold Skin Frost, and I'm taking this right down the nose as well as all around the face for a beautiful vampire glow. For lips, I am using a very steampunk brown color that's metallic, and this is Dose of Colors Teddy. It's a liquid lipstick, so it's going to stay on all night, so if you are going out for Halloween, this is perfect. So now for the fun part, we're going to be spirit gumming these gears, keys, and rhinestones to our face. This is really, in my opinion, something that ties the look together so well and makes it very obvious that you are a steampunk person. I was really inspired by all the gears and bronze machinery that steampunk has, so I stuck them around my eye and also around my neck. And you can put as many or as little as you like, but I find that if you put a lot, it looks really, really cool. So next I took a craft glitter, and this is a gold glitter. It's very beautiful and it's super fine. I dusted this onto the gears as well as all around my face because vampires sparkle and because gold is a color that is shown a lot in steampunk style. So for hair, I wanted something really funky and steampunk, so I'm wearing a wig that's dark with a gray streak in the front, and this is a really great wig that I absolutely love. I think it's stunning, and I made sure that the gray streak would fall right into my face. Next, just add some finishing touches, some more stones or whatever you like, and put on your steampunk hat, and your look is complete. Alright beauties, this is my final steampunk vampire look and a wrap on the last Halloween tutorial for the month of October. I just want to thank everyone who has participated in these fun Halloween festivities we've been having on my channel. You guys made this month awesome for me, and this was definitely the most fun I have had in a while. I love creating these characters and they were so much fun to bring to life. This month has given us some amazing opportunities that I will be forever grateful for. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you all in my next tutorial.
Yeah.